guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. If you are new, please subscribe it. Today I will trade using the Bollinger Band and the support and resistance level. I'm doing a combination with these indicators, as simple as that. As you can see, I just entered a trade here at a resistance level. This is a resistance level, but we also have a very bearish candlestick, and we have then we had a bullish candlestick. This green candlestick closed below, inside this range, so it didn't have strength. So I think it's a great pattern to be trade to the downside, as simple as that. So guys, remember, if you are new, I have a complete tutorial about this broker with some trading strategy below this video. Please subscribe it and see that complete tutorial. Alright, so let's see if we can get another opportunity. Yes, I think we can get another opportunity here. Yes, we just need to wait until this candlestick close, because we have a resistance level 2 here. Let's wait if this candlestick close above or below. Yeah, it's closing below, and I will make a trade to the downside. Here we go. Let me try again. Alright, perfect. So guys, this is a down market too, so we have some probabilities to be in the money. Let me see if the price move up a little bit more. I will make another trade. Yeah, just to cover the first one, I made this trade just in case I lost the first one. Okay, I think we can win both of them because it complied with all my conditions. It is at a resistance level because remember, this was a high respected by the price. The price reversed from this high to the downside, and again it tried to broke up this high and it didn't. So that's why we won this trade again. And also all of this is happening at the upper Bollinger Bands. Let me check. I think I can make another trade here. Yeah, I will make another trade. Oh, it got executed too late. Wow, but it's okay. I hope to win it. Alright, let me tell you something, guys. These two candlestick works as double root. And we won this trade too, guys. So it's not that hard if you practice a lot this kind of entries. We had another opportunity here. Yeah, we had an opportunity. We could make a call option just right here. Once we see this kind of candlestick at the end of a movement, it could be the end of a movement because of this support level. This is a support level where it happened. Another opportunity we had here too, but it's okay. Let's wait. Alright guys, the price is coming back down again, so I think we can have another opportunity, but I'm just going to place $5 because it's a little bit risky, this kind of entry. Guys, if you have any question, I will answer all of them. You just have to post it below on the comment section. Alright, we're almost there. Okay, I'm waiting for this candlestick to close to see what's gonna happen, what may happen. Because these three candlesticks are closing inside this range. This bullish range. Same happen here. They are very similar. Right guys, oh well, too late. This is a great opportunity to go up when you see this, because remember, this is a upward movement and the price is just doing a pullback. Pullback is making a base to keep moving up, so I think it was a great opportunity to go up, but I did it too late. Too late. It got executed too late. Too high. I hope to win this trade, but I don't think so. In the meantime, let's check this one. I will make this trade for $10 just to recover the last one. All right. Guys, it didn't go through. Let me wait a little bit. Yes, I will wait until the market come down to this level, which is the support level, and also we have the lower Bollinger band. Yeah, it's doing what I want. Once this candlestick close, it closed with this later week, I'll make this entry. Let's see if the same happen. No. Guys, as I told you, this in this area, the price is forming a base to go up again. That's what I think. But the base can be formed also right here on this near to this support level. So we just need to be patient and wait to see that base. Alright guys, we are winning this one, and we won. We recovered we recover the last one. And also let me check. Yeah, I think we will have a great opportunity here with this price, but I will pause the video until the price is, the base is formed. But on the meantime, just for you to see, this is my winning rate with this strategy. So you can also get it like me. You just need to be disciplined, patient. I need another candlestick that touch or that go close to this level, to these two levels. We have two levels, guys, here: the lower Bollinger Bands and also the support level. That's how I combine them. Oh, it's okay. Let me wait. I will wait a little bit more. Yeah. But I know this little candlestick is telling me that this seller don't have strength in this point. They don't have strength in this point. That's what is telling me, this kind of candlestick. So right now this little candlestick is touching the blue line, which is the support level. But I need to wait until this candlestick close to see what's gonna happen. Oh yeah, I need to wait a little bit more. All right, I want to see this wick of this candlestick. And if it goes below the Bollinger Band, it will be better, much better, because what it's telling me, the price is oversold and we have a great opportunity to go up. Okay, let's do it. Do it just in case. I think this candlestick may close green, bullish, but just in case it didn't, it doesn't close green, what I'm going to do is I'm going to double the amount to the upside. Yes, because it's closing below the lower Bollinger Band. Let me be ready for that. But yes, we're winning. We're winning this trade, and guys, we won this trade too. I like because it's very simple to trade. We just need to be patient, as I was in this trade, guys. So that's it for today. Remember, if you have any question, Any doubt or any comment, let me know please on the comment section, and hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it.